Hey guys, this is your Math Independent Assignment lesson for Tuesday, December 8th, and this is Unit 3, Review of Comparing Decimals. Please note that this is a review for our Unit 3 test, which will be on Thursday, December 17th. So I will model comparing decimals using greater than, less than, or equal to. But I want to remind you that you should be going to Google Classroom and using the virtual place value chart. Look, if you go to Google Classroom and click classwork and click the virtual place value chart, you can open it and you can actually input your decimals in here to help you compare. Now, I can't use this one because it will save on yours, but I have another one already open that I'll show you, okay? I also have on mine a place value chart that I'm going to use. So if you prefer to make your own place value chart and write it in that on your whiteboard or notebook, that's fine too, but I do expect that you're using a place value chart. So when I see a decimal, I say and. After the decimal, we have three spaces. Well, three spaces that we learn in 5th grade. There's actually a lot more than that. The first one is the tenths. The second one is the hundredths, and the third one is the thousandths. It helps if you write your decimals in a place value chart when you're comparing. So I'm going to compare 32 and 10 hundredths to 32 and 1 hundredths. So what I do is I write the first one, 32 decimal 10, 32 and 10 hundredths. And then I write the other one, which is 32 and 1 hundredths. So then I start at the biggest place value spot. That's my tens. They're both the same, so I have to go to the next one. My ones, they're both the same. Next one, tenths. Oh, look. This one is bigger. So 32 and 10 hundredths, I'm going to come circle it. 32 and 10 hundredths is larger, greater than 32 and 1 hundredths. So I circled the biggest one after putting it on my place value chart. Then I'm going to draw my mouth to make the mouth eat the bigger number. So the way I say that is 32 and 10 hundredths is greater than 32 and 1 hundredths. Let's try another one. Same thing, I'm going to put it on my place value chart. I have 0 and 0, 7, 0. And the way I say that is, let me write that 0 better. 70 thousandths. I don't have to say 0 and, I just say the number that I see, which is 70, and then the place value, thousandths. Now I'm going to put the other number in. I have 0 decimal 400. The way I say that is 400 thousandths. So now I'm going to compare. I start with the largest place value right now, which is ones, and they're both the same. So I go to the next largest one. I have a 0 and a 4, and the 4 is larger than the 0. That means 400 thousandths is the largest number, so I circle it. Then I make my mouth eat it. And the way I say that is 70 thousandths is less than 400 thousandths. One more example before you practice. So I have 0 decimal 82 and 0 decimal 9. Notice I don't have a digit there. You can put a 0 there. That's totally fine. So the way I say this number is 82 hundredths. The way I say this number is 9 tenths. But we learned that 9/10 and 90/100 are exactly the same. So I'm going to put a 0 there just so my eyes know, hey, that's a blank. It's really a 0. 9/10 and 90/100 is exactly the same number. Now I'm ready to compare. Start with the largest place value, which in this case is the ones. They're the same. Then I go to the tenths. I have an 8 and a 9. Well, the 9 is bigger. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to circle the biggest number, which is 9/10 or 90/100. Make the alligator mouth eat it. And the way I say this is 82/100 is less than 9/10. Now you get to practice this. So now you're going to go to Google Classroom and complete the assignment that says Tuesday, December 8th, Independent Math Assignment. This assignment is due by midnight on Tuesday, December 8th. It is worth 10 points. So let me show you where it's at. It is on Google Classroom. If I click Classwork, here's the virtual place value chart that you are welcome to use. And in fact, I invite you to use it for everything to do with decimals. So you might want to have that one open too. And then you're going to find the week, which is the week of December 7th through the 11th. And here's the assignment, Tuesday, December 8th, Math Independent Assignment. And you click it. This video will be posted here. Yes, you must watch that video. Then you're going to complete the Google form below. And it also tells you to use the virtual place value chart to help you. And that this is a graded assignment. It is worth 10 points. It is due by midnight on Tuesday, December 8th. So I'm just going to open the form and show you what I expect you to do. 1, type your name in it. No name means no credit. You would hate to get a 0 for something you did. And then you're going to select one answer here, select one answer here. And then if you look at the next one, it says there are 3 correct expressions. So you're going to choose 3 that are right. Here, choose 1 that is right. Here, you're going to make up your own expression. And when I say expression, I mean like that. Give me a number sentence with a greater than, less than, or equal to in it. Something I want to tell you about this one, it's going to tell you that it is wrong. And it's going to say that because I will have to hand score it. Anytime you type in here, it marks it as wrong, and I have to go in and hand score it and give you the correct grade. So don't be surprised that that one tells you it's wrong. I will go in and correct the grade, okay? So when you're done, you're going to hit submit. And that is it. Please use the place value chart and please take your time and read each one carefully. Thank you.